There's a lot of tradition in these boxes. A tradition of technological excellence that spans more than 50 years. It began when America relied on Packard Bell radios for information and entertainment. Then Packard Bell pioneered television sets and stereophonic sound. And Packard Bell engineers helped launch America's space effort. Today, Packard Bell computer systems like yours are at work in industry, government, and in homes across the nation. Linking the system together is easy once you know what each component is. Let's start with the very basics. The computer you've purchased is part of the Packard Bell Series 1 computer family. Your system features a small footprint, so it won't take up a lot of space. Your computer comes standard with a 5¼ inch high-density 1.2 megabyte floppy disk drive. Your computer may also come with a 30 or 40 megabyte hard disk drive for the permanent storage of information or data. Now let's get started. From this keyboard, you'll control the system, both hardware and software. This is the Central Processing Unit, or CPU. It holds all of the electronics that enable you to operate the system, utilizing virtually all popular software programs. This color monitor is just like a sheet of paper. The work you'll do will be displayed here. Hooking up the three basic components, keyboard, computer, and monitor, to make a complete working system is quick and easy. Your Packard Bell system comes with all of the cables needed. First, plug the keyboard into the computer. Next, plug the video cable from the monitor into the back of the computer here. Be sure to tighten the screws on the connection. You'll note that the monitor has a separate power cord. This plugs into any standard wall outlet. The final connection is simple. Just plug one end of the computer main power cable into the computer here, and the other end into any standard wall outlet. Your Series 1 computer also has two serial ports for use with a modem, mouse, printer, or any other accessory which requires such a port. This is a parallel port. This port is used for most printer applications. These slots are called expansion slots. Here's where you plug in any of a wide variety of game ports, video ports, or special purpose expansion boards. After making sure all your plugs are firmly seated, you're ready to turn the system on. These indicator lights show you the status of your system. Note that the power light is on. Now, turn on the monitor. In a few seconds, it will begin to glow. As your system warms up, it checks to see if all the components are working correctly. If your monitor screen shows hard disk boot failure, the hard disk drive has lost its format. If the screen does not show this message, the system is fine and ready for work. To restore the hard disk format, simply use the PB Workman diskette that comes with your system. Simply insert the diskette into the drive slot, close the door, turn on the computer, and answer the questions as they appear on the screen. That's all there is to it. After a few minutes, the hard drive will be properly formatted and ready to go to work. Be sure to read the directions that come with the PB Workman diskette. When starting with MS-DOS, the first thing you need to do is make a backup copy of your MS-DOS diskettes. To do so, type at the prompt disk copy space A:, space A:, and press enter. The computer will prompt you with the following message. Insert source diskette and press any key when ready. Now in this case, insert your disk labeled MS-DOS Systems and Utilities in Drive A and press any key. The computer will then instruct you to insert a blank target diskette into the drive. Remove the Systems and Utilities diskette and insert a new blank diskette. Close the door and press any key. The system will then copy the data to the new diskette. When it finishes, the computer will ask if you want to copy another, yes or no. Type Y for yes. Then repeat the same procedure for all of your GW Basic diskettes and your diagnostic diskettes. The next procedure will be to make a directory on your hard drive. To do so, type the following: MD/new dir, then press Enter. We've selected the heading New dir, but this can be any heading you like, up to 8 characters. You can then change the directory by typing the following: CD/new dir. Press Enter, then type dir, and press Enter again. Now you should be in the new directory that you just created. To get out of this directory, you type CD/, press Enter, type dir, and Enter again. You're now back to the original directory. To copy any part of a floppy disk onto your hard drive, insert the diskette you intend to copy from into the drive. In this case, use the diagnostics diskette. At the prompt, type copy space A:* star space C:*. Then press Enter. The computer will now copy the contents of the diagnostics diskette onto the hard drive. Finally, you will need to know how to format a new floppy diskette for use in the system. Insert the new blank diskette into the A drive, and at the prompt, type format space A:*. If you are not using high-density diskettes, you will also need to type /4. This will allow you to format a 360K floppy disk in the high-density disk drive. We urge you to familiarize yourself with the MS-DOS User's Manual. Your Packard Bell computer is your tool to productivity in the years to come. Learn the basics, and you open up a whole new world.